So here is my Insta account. So you can click that follow button. You can contact me at any time for any kind of technological queries. I'm ready to help you. On the other end, for web designing or any other courses or internships, if you want to contact us, yes, I'm ready to help you. Here is the contact number to contact us. Web design series HTML, fifth video. What is HTML and its tags? HTML is the abbreviation is Hypertext Markup Language. So markup in the sense everything will be writing in the brackets. That is why it is called markup language. Since I got a link, on clicking that link, I'm moving to somewhere. On the mouse is moved somewhere, it becomes a hand. On clicking that one, it is taking to somewhere. That is called as hypertext. Written in the brackets markup language. That is why it's called hypertext markup language. Your HTML will have your opening tag and a closing tag to create a web page. And this HTML will have the head and the body. It's like a human. It will have the head and a body. The head will have head slash head. Body slash body. So that is how it will be. And this head, without this head, you can't find the person. Right? So the head will have the title, Vengadesam Prabhu. The website title or web page title will be placed in the head tag. And I can remember that guy, the brain is here. I can remember that guy. So linking someone, linking the web page with the other person, other files can be done with a link tag. Okay, so I told about the title tag, the link tag, the third one is meta tag. The information about the web page. What is this web page? Who is the author? Lots of information about the web page that is called as meta tag. So you'll have all these tags in the head tags. If you talk about the body, I got the legs, hands and everything. You got the paragraph tag, heading tags and other tags, H1, H2 tags to show your content. Maybe an image, maybe an audio, maybe a video. So what are the contents I want to show in the web page that can be placed in the body tag? Your head tag, content which is there in the head tag won't get displayed in the web page. And the content which is placed in the body will be shown in the body tag. This is how your HTML is created. Once if you got the HTML, you are able to create a web page. And lots of web page, your website is ready. This is how a hypertext markup language is used. And a hypertext markup language is the base for the technology. Base for creating your web pages. Let's move on to the topics learning link. This link is available in the description and in the first comment. So here is my wikidigi.com. So over here, I'm clicking HTML5. So HTML5 is the latest version of HTML. And here, I'm going to first, what is HTML? Once if you click it, over here, I got my HTML here. So this is the one I told you, HTML opening tag, and you will slash HTML, you'll have the closing tag. You got the head with the title, body with the, a lot of tags to display the content. You may ask me a question, so title tag is here, where is the link tags? Everything is optional. Depends on the requirement of the web page and the owner, the contents will get differ. Everything is optional. So I don't want the head tags, I remove it, man. Without head tag also it will work. So everything is optional in HTML. But it is mandatory that you should have a opening tag and the closing tag. You may ask me a question, sir, whether it will work or not without the closing tag. Yes, it will work. The rendering will happen, but it will show a warning and it will have a mismatch of displaying the content. So if you have a opening tag, have a proper closing tag. This is how your HTML works.